Hey, this is TC, your web and brand strategist slash consultant, and this is your Tip Tuesday. All right, so I got a tip for you. If you really want to update your website and you don't want to like touch the design portion, or every time you touch the design portion, you break something, let me show you an easy way Wix has for you to update the content only on your website. So this website that I'm looking at here is built on Wix Studio. Content mode, what I'm about to show you, is only available for Wix Studio. It's unfortunately not available on Wix Classic. I'll show you the difference, what it looks like, and how you know that you're on Wix Studio. So if you're looking for an upgrade, I highly recommend migrating your site over to Wix Studio. It is a manual process right now. They are developing a tool to easily migrate from Wix Classic to Wix Studio as far as your information wise in the back end. But ultimately, it will require a full rebuild of your website. Let me show you why Wix Studio is the way to go. Okay. All right, content mode. You want to easily update your content on your website, your Wix Studio website. You're going to go up here to where it says edit site. You're going to hit the drop down of this window, of this button. In the drop down, you have two options: full mode, which is the default editing, and then content mode. Content mode will only update your text, media, and links. And that's why I like about Wix Studio. It tells you exactly what these options are and how you can achieve and what you achieve with clicking on this option. Okay, so let's go into content mode for this website. This is opening up on Wix Studio. As you see here, it says Wix Studio. That's how you know that you're on, that your site has been built with Wix Studio. All right, it's going to load up. It takes a few seconds to load up, but we're going to get there. Okay, we're in our website now. As you see, we have our hero section and we have the second section. For updating content, we're going to focus on the second section. This section is the introduction to who you are and what your website does. So we're going to focus on just changing this text up just a little bit. Instead of saying Bel Housing here in the center, we want to just say, simply have the action statement where hope meets healing. Over here on the right side, you see as I tapped into this section, just simply clicked into the section, we're going to edit and say, take out the top part, Bel Housing, and we're just going to say where hope meets healing. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is look at the button. Instead of saying learn how to get started, we're just going to say get started. Okay, so now that we have both of these items, your title and your button, changed over, let's now hit publish. You want to make sure you hit publish up here in the top right, so that these changes take effect on your website. So I'll hit publish. Stinking. Check mark means we're ready to go. Now let's go to our live site. Takes a few seconds for it to update. And there it is. Those are changes that we made on our site. They're now live. So where hope meets healing, and get started. And that's how you can simply edit on content mode. Let's do one more change. So let's go back up to our hero section and let's change out the image. Click into the section, your side panel opens up, and we're going to hit change. Change is going to open up your media manager. You can either choose an image that you've already uploaded to your website, or you can go into the Wix media. But for this one, I'm just going to simply choose an image that I already have on my site. Let's choose this image right here. I'm going to click the image, click update, And now you see this image is on our site. Again, remember to hit publish in the top right corner. Okay, the site is now published. Let's go back to our live site and give it a few seconds. Thinking. Okay, let's hit refresh. Bam. Easy peasy. Your site is updated. You don't have to worry about changing the layout of the design. You don't have to worry about moving things around. You don't have to worry about clicking and dealing with the um, other features that you will encounter when you are in full content mode, full edit mode. But as a user of your site, the one who maybe you're just the client and you didn't actually build the site, you hired a designer to build your site, and you simply just want to change some content without bothering the designer. This is the best way to change your content. Okay. So I hope this helps. Again, if you are a client and you hired someone to build your site, this is an easy way. Content mode is an easy way to edit your content on your website. So again, let me just show you. Go into your site, go up to edit mode right here. You want to click the drop down, and you want to hit content mode instead of full mode. You want to hit content mode and easily update the content on your site without changing the design and layout of your website. I hope this helps. Again, if you are looking to upgrade your website to Wix Studio so you can access that content mode, so you can easily update your content, I can definitely help you with that. Get in contact with me over on my website, carnellcreative.com, and set up a discovery call, set up a brand website audit, and I will surely help you update that. Let me handle the tech so you can focus on your mission.